Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a short review of the Sangean WR-12 in cream. This is a 2.1 analog radio system from Sangean, which sounds very, very good. And it's totally analog, as you can see. You got analog dials for the band select and analog dial for tuning.
Nicole Walter Mund.
And it's really soft tuning, and also you got an analog input for treble and bass. So this, you can push it, and this is really cool. It's also got a very good reception, and as you can see, when the LED lights up, you are perfectly tuned into this right station. So here in Berlin, you got a lot of stations on the band, on the FM band.
In der DDR rechnen.
Row von Erich Wolf. Berlin Richtung
Yeah.
Frankfurt.
So you can see there are 20, 30 stations. And they are all tuning in quite well. Okay, because of copyright strikes, I won't play any radio music, but I play some music from the YouTube audio library, which is copyright free. Yeah, as you can hear, it really has a nice sound due to the subwoofer on the back and the 2.5-inch tweeters on the front. I really like the design of the radio, and it's totally analog. You have an auxiliary input on the back of 3.5 millimeters, and you can also plug in headphones. And they're all rotary dials, and even got the analog scale of an old-time radio. But it's really, but inside there are really good components. Really, it feels high quality. The radio weighs about 4 kilograms. That's a lot. It's It's quite heavy for its size, but that's also good for the sound. I can really recommend it. You can you can even dim the display here of the dial. So in the dark, if it's too bright, you can dim it. Really nice. I attached a telescopic aerial to it. There's only a wired aerial that comes with it when you buy it. But also the internal antenna is quite good. Yeah, that'll be it. Keep on listening to music and have a good evening. Bye-bye.